friends with it? I want to wear pretty clothes to meet the puppy. Let's go find the puppy. Welcome the puppy to the new home. Let's play together. The puppy wants a bath. Put it in the bathtub. Tap the item to make the water flow into the bathtub. The puppy is so clean after the bath. Taking care of the puppy will make it grow faster. Getting enough sleep can help the puppy grow faster. Wow, the puppy is growing up. Measure the puppy to see how tall it is. 15 centimeters. Wow, the puppy has grown taller. The puppy is hungry and wants to eat something delicious. Apple. Apple. Tomato. Puppy, I am hungry. Please buy me some bread. Remember to pay after buying things. Thank you for your help. Wow, you've won so many coins. Can you help me, please? My good friend is coming. Can you pick him up at the pier and take him to the hotel for me? Let's check out who wears this pair of pants.
You are here to pick me up.
Take Mew Mew's friend to the hotel. The road is blocked. Get the correct answer to get through. Choose the right color to fill in the blank. Thank you for your help. Huh? I wrote letters to my little buddies. Can you help me deliver them?